Room service, good morning. This is Junior Resident speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order for my breakfast.
Can I have your name and your room number, sir?
I am Alfredo Villaverde from room number 143.
Okay, Sir Alfredo. For breakfast, we have continental American and Filipino breakfast. What would you like?
I would like to have Filipino breakfast.
Okay, Sir Alfredo. For Filipino breakfast, we have a choice of plain and fried rice.
I want fried rice.
We also have here fried meals like tocino, tapa, daing na bangus, and longganisa. What would you prefer, sir?
I want to have tapa.
What would you like on your egg, sir? Is it scrambled, hard-boiled, or sunny side up?
Make it scramble.
Okay, sir. For beverage, we have kapeng barako, tea, and native chocolate. What would you prefer, sir?
I want native chocolate.
Okay, Sir Alfredo. You ordered Filipino breakfast consists of fried rice with tapa and scrambled egg. And for beverage, you ordered native chocolate. For how many persons, Sir Alfredo?
Just for me.
Okay, Sir Alfredo. What time do you want to deliver your food?
I want to deliver it at exactly 6 o'clock in the morning.
It would be 400 pesos, sir. How would you like to settle your bill? Is it cash or charge it to your account?
I'll pay it with cash.
Okay, Sir Alfredo. Your food will be delivered after 6 o'clock. Thank you for calling room service and have a pleasant day ahead.